Hello, I'm Professor Peter Sadler from the University of Warwick. The elements of the periodic table fascinate me. I'm particularly interested in the biological chemistry and the medicinal chemistry of those elements. Which elements do I need inside of me to be healthy? And moreover, which elements do plants need inside them to be healthy? Without plants, we would have very limited food, and in the future, food will be in short supply. In the next few decades, we will have something like 9.7 billion people on this earth, and there'll be a 60% increase in the need for food, particularly plant food. And fresh water may be in short supply. We may need to use seawater for growing plants. How will plants like these plants tolerate seawater? And the plants that we will use will be Arabidopsis thaliana. Yes, it's in the mustard family. It contains cress and cabbage and turnips and radishes. So real food for the future depends on our experiments. And I want you as young scientists to help me find out which elements are in the plants. And we can ask the question, do we need them or not? We can feed those plants with water and salt water, find out if they tolerate it. We can add things like manganese, iron, cobalt, copper. Which elements do they need? We may find some real surprises. What's more, this project will contribute to your CPAC practical training skills in your A-level science. You can even do an EPQ, an equivalent project qualification, or a Gold CREST Award you could work. We want to work with you through this experiment. Academic staff in Warwick and Birmingham will work with you in your school to guide you all the way through this project, from growing the plants, sampling the leaves or the stems, determining what elements are in them, feeding back the data, helping you to analyze the data. And then, at a special Young Researchers Symposium in early July at the University of Warwick, we'll invite you to come along, and your parents and your friends, and hear about your results. More exciting still, perhaps, is that we will have similar schools in China coming along. They will join us online and tell you about their results on the same kind of experiments. We want you to become young scientists of the future, to solve this important world problem of how to make enough food for everybody around the world. I really want you to join me and help me to prove that we can make enough food to feed the whole world. I look forward to working with you.